Hey y'all, what's up? This is FO Lady. I just have a quick question. Okay, y'all see me up here. These are all little twists or whatever, and see if I can get them better. Okay, with the white wall behind me, you should be able to see it a little bit better. But anyway, these are all twists up here, and they're not big. I mean, I don't know, was that medium, small? I'm not sure. But anyway, my friend, she happens to be my old roommate. Her hair is about the same length as mine, you know. And when she twists her hair, it twists like, you know, it twists and it twists down. You know, I don't know how to explain it right now, but mine, when I twist it, that mug curls up like all this right. I don't expect it to just be like this. You know what I'm saying? I don't expect that. But, you know, it was to shrink up like that, you know, and still be, yeah, I don't know how to explain it. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Like when people have their twist and they're actually going down straight, mine curls up so much. Until, I don't know. And I mean, I like the little hairstyle. Now, don't get me wrong. If I take my time doing all these twists, I don't care how they look. I'm gonna wear them. If I have to wear them with a band, with a flower, whatever, you know, arch your eyebrows, put on some lip gloss, and be cute. But I just want to know. I already asked this question one time about the twist. You know what I'm saying? And it was, well, maybe you need to twist down instead of out. Well, I did that. And then I seen different people doing, like, different methods of the twist. I thought maybe I was doing it like that, you know, like the sister twist, where you twist each section and then you make the one twist or whatever. I thought maybe I was doing that, and that's why I was curling up so much. But no, y'all, I think that I'm just, I don't know. Do I need to wait till it gets longer to actually think that it's going to cooperate with me in this way? I'll try. I think I have a picture of her. I'm going to post it at the end of this video so you all can see what I'm talking about when I talk about her twist. And mine, they automatically, they freestyle, like it's a wild child situation up here. And like I said, I'm not even trying to fight against it because I really dig it, you know. Some people want to do this and can't make it happen, but it's strange to me, you know? So I was wondering if you all have any suggestions or if anybody else has encountered this type of situation where you twist the hair up and it won't go down. I don't know how to explain it. But when I show you the picture, you'll understand what I'm talking about. And I twisted it dry. You know, people say if you twist it dry, it has less shrinkage. And if you twist it wet, it curls up more. Well, this is dry. This is no product on it. So maybe it's just my hair type just want to behave the way that it does. I don't know. Well, anyway, my forehead is shiny. I had a zit right there if y'all don't remember. And now it's gone, but it still looks like some kind of... Anyway, so, yeah, somebody let me know. Everybody let me know what has been your experience with twists. Give me some pro info on it, y'all. And I'm going to show y'all the pictures. Y'all be blessed and be a blessing. Peace out.